Hello folks, welcome back to another video. This is going to be quite a short one. I'm just going to show you how to load Super 8 motion picture film into a Super 8 camera. You can do this with any type of film you want. I'm just going to use Ektachrome Tri-X reversal. Tri-X reversal. It's probably going to be the shortest video I've ever made, but as a bonus I'm going to show you how to check if the film is moving. So you open the box, your cartridge should be in this paper. Just tear it open, and there's the front of the cart. You can do this is the same with most cameras. I'm just going to use the GAF 64. Make sure the camera's off. You can probably do this if the camera's on, but you know, just to be safe. On the opposite side of the camera there should be a door. Pop it open. That's the inside of your Super 8 camera. Take the side of the film that has, let me just focus in on that, the side that has obviously, you know, the emulsion layer, and you want to be having that face towards the lens. So, well, there's really only one way you can put this in. Take it in, put it in sort of on an angle, and then once it goes in, just push down. It should click into place, just like that. Now you'll know it's in because when you put it upside down, it won't fall or rock around. After that, you can close the camera and just start shooting. Now, if you want to check, if you want to take it out, just grab the back of it, pull it up, and take it out that way. Now, to see if your camera is actually working, you could just turn the camera on and see that the motor is working. But for extra assurance, what you can do is take a Sharpie and just mark the back of it, say in the middle, like that. Put it into the camera. You might lose 1 or 2 frames, but it's not too bad. Turn your camera on and just hold the motor down for a fraction of a second, like that. So, once you've done that, you should see if it is running through your camera properly, and this tape should move, and the black dot should move forward, or your marker should move forward, and that's how you know it's working. Now, you can leave this on, don't worry about this, because obviously when you develop the film, you know, you have to remove ramjet anyway, so, yeah. So, there you go. Probably shortest video I've made ever. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.